Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Nauroz Tech Info. Today we will discuss Gsuite. What is Gsuite? A Gsuite Basic Edition is a suite of collaborative productivity app that offer your business professional email, shared calendar, online documents, editing and storage, video meeting and much more. What is Gsuite called now? Google Workspace. As we have evolved Gsuite into a more integrated experience across our communication and collaboration tools, we have rebranded to Google Workspace to more accurately represent the product vision. Gsuite, a Gmail account, Google Workplace is also include Gmail in its suite, but unlike the basic free Gmail version, it gives user access to a custom Gmail domain, 30 GB of storage space, and advanced security and integration options. Was Google Gsuite free? Prior to December 6, 2012, Google offered a free edition of Gsuite, also known as the Legacy Free Edition of Google App, that had a reduced set of business features as of December 6, 2012. Google stopped offering the Legacy Free Edition to new customers. Why is Gsuite useful? Provides your business with a professional appearance. With Gsuite, you can utilize a new unique domain and sign up for a range of Google service. Use Gmail, Calendar, Contact, Documents, YouTube, and even the new Google Plus social work, giving your business a presence across a suite of online applications. What is the difference between Google and Gsuite? Gsuite includes Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Documents, Sheets, Slide, and Sites, while Google Workspace include those same features plus Meet, Chat, and Jamboard. Additionally, Google Workspace has more storage space and advanced security features, making it better choice for business. How do suits work? G-suits work. The trousers are fitted with inflatable bladders which, when pressurized through G-sensitive valve in their aircraft or spacecraft, press firmly on the abdomen and legs, thus restriction the draining of blood away from the brain. Period of high escalation. How do I learn Google Suite? Visit Workspace on YouTube, watch the app show, and find others video about Google Workspace product like Documents, Sheets, Slide, Drive, Gmail, and Meet. Workspace Documents, Google Workspace Learning Center. How do I join Gsuite? Solution: go to the Google Workspace sign up page, add your company name, enter the number of employees including you, choose your region and click next. Add your contact information to set up your company email and Google Workspace account. You require a domain, for example, yourcompany.com. Why do I need Gsuite? Gsuite allow you to create customized domain name for your email address, making them better suited to business. This is because it gives your business more of a professional appearance. Gmail, on the other hand, require you to use the default @gmail.com extension. What are the Google application called? Product: Google Workspace comprises Gmail, Chat, Meet, Calendar, Maps, Drive of storage, Documents, Sheets, Slide, Form, and Site of collaboration, and an admin panel and Vault for managing users and the services. Gsuite good for small business. Gsuite offers you some of the best tools of communication, collaboration, security, and organizations, and these tools are needed by almost all business. Most of the tools or services offered to you in Gsuite are free. That makes Gsuite affordable even if you run just a small business. What are the advantages of Gsuite? Gsuite's cons. The biggest issue Gsuite faces is that it's not Microsoft Office. Microsoft 365 also offer collaboration and communications tool, but with a familiar interface. Google Documents and Sheets are not as feature driven as Word and Excel and don't always work as they should. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more interesting video. Thank you. Take care.